Tonight, we are getting a better understanding of what former Governor Andrew Cuomo said to investigators regarding his sexual misconduct allegations. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And hello, I'm Scott Levin. The State Attorney General today released over 2,000 pages of deposition transcripts from the investigation. 2 News's Rob Hackford looked into those transcripts for us tonight.
The 11 transcripts released Wednesday provide new details straight from the mouths of former Governor Andrew Cuomo and the 10 women who spoke to investigators between March and August of this year, all 10 describing various sexual harassment claims that have been publicly discussed and summarized in the AG's report that was released back in August, a week after which Cuomo resigned. Attorney General Letitia James is now running for governor. Why the transcripts were not released earlier, the AG's office said in a statement the release coincides with the filing of a criminal complaint against the former governor, which happened in Albany County last week. The AG's office added that all documents from the investigation, during which 179 people were interviewed, will also now be released on a rolling basis with pending redactions. But Cuomo's attorney questioned the timing, saying the Attorney General deliberately harms a pending case by broadcasting to each witness what other witnesses have testified to and spreading false and salacious hearsay and rumors, end quote. Cuomo's transcript replays in new detail the 11-hour interview he had with lead investigators. Across the 515 pages, they go back and forth over various topics, including 4 pages just discussing the term girlfriend and date. The governor repeatedly said during the interview he was careful with how he acted around women, but danced around questions regarding the state's mandated sexual harassment training, saying he didn't remember what years he did or didn't take it, or whether an aide signed off for him. When asked about kissing a staff member, Cuomo said he thinks there may have been an occasion where a staff member kissed him on the lips, but he could not say who. The transcripts go on to include Charlotte Bennett, Lindsey Boylan, Brittany Camiso, and 7 other women who lay out their allegations of awkward touching, groping, and much more. When asked whether harassment training was offered in the executive office, Ms. Boylan told investigators the whole building is sexual harassment. Well, and Scott and Mary Alice, as for the other investigation involving the governor, today the chairman of the Assembly Judiciary Committee said that members will return to Albany next Thursday and Friday to review their findings. After Cuomo resigned, they said they would not impeach the governor, but instead release a public report. That committee, it does include 3 Western New York Assembly members. They include Karen McMahon, Mike Norris, and Monica Wallace. In the studio, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.